very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners. Hope you all had a great evening. So heading toward the North American Open, just a quick look at some of the key events which we've seen. Focusing firstly in the fixed income markets, we have seen volumes continue to be relatively light in the Bund future as participants continue to somewhat find their feet back from the Christmas and New Year holidays. But heading toward the US Open, Bund futures are trading slightly higher at the moment, predominantly led by the bubble in the belly of the curve. That came after the Bundesbank had a solid cover ratio and an offering of €4 billion worth in 5-year maturity. They had a cover ratio of 2.8, which was higher than when this old line was last tapped back in December. Also, as well, the UK's Debt Management Office came to market with a 10-year offering, which also received some strong demand as well. What we have seen then in the periphery is some continued tightening in the likes of the Spanish and Italian 10-year bond yield spreads over bunds. Both tightened considerably today, comes ahead of their key government bond auctions. Spain will come to market on Thursday, followed by Italy on Friday. Also being touted here is some strong redemption flows, with around €18 billion from France due on Thursday, supporting on some of that move, as well as touted domestic buying of bonos and BTPs as well in early trade. Elsewhere, the equity markets continue to be pretty subdued, around mixed to unchanged at the moment in the European stock futures. Not too much to comment on there, but unit credit shares individually are up once again around 7%, so rebounding off their initial losses following last week's heavy discount on their rights issue. In terms of crude futures, hovering around the 102 handle, continuing to eye the situation with the strikes on the third day in Nigeria, and also geopolitically anything new out of Iran to watch as we head toward the NYMEX Open and into the DOE weekly numbers. That pretty much so concludes the wrap for the moment. Looking ahead, key meetings are taking place. Papademos is meeting with IIS de Lara, and Mario Monti is meeting as well with Merkel of Germany, with Sarkozy looking to meet with other European officials as well today. But that concludes the opening wrap, so have yourself a great trading day.